Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, good people. Welcome back to Global Happenings today. We are so excited to have you again. The lawyer of Igboho, that's Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, has made a very strong revelation pointing to the fact that Igboho has not actually been released, as we are hearing rumors everywhere. You're going to hear the conditions that have been given to him. And also, in another news, a serious tragedy has befallen Fashola and Ngigi. You get to hear what has happened to them in a jiffy. But before we continue, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do well to hit on the red subscribe button and also on the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. Let's start up with the happenings, the ill happenings around Fashola Ngigi and also the chief of staff to the president. And according to the news, the convoy of the Chief of Staff, Professor Ibrahim Gambari, Minister of Works and Housing, Babatunde Fashola, and his counterpart in Labor and Employment, Chief Chris Ngigi, crashed during the inspection of a bridge in Asaba, Delta State. Four policemen were feared dead in the accident that occurred on Tuesday evening. According to the news, the driver lost control of the vehicle conveying the security operative and crashed into a deep pit. An eyewitness, John Okore, said that the incident happened when the vehicle conveying the victims was negotiating the bend leading to the construction site of the second Niger Bridge at the Asaba. It was gathered that the police vehicle was speeding to meet up with the minister's vehicle when it veered off the road and crashed. Also, a Delta Line driver who spoke to our correspondent on condition of anonymity said that the incident was very fatal. The policeman driver was speeding and while negotiating the bend because of the speed could not control the vehicle. The crash into a deep pit was at the back of the convoy driving slowly. With the help of other people, we rescued four of them, but they were badly injured. They were shouting as the vehicle fell on them. When contacted, the police public relations officer in the state, DSP Bright Edafe, said he was yet to receive the accident report as of the time of filing this report. Meanwhile, in another development, the Yoruba activist Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, on Wednesday said he hoped there wouldn't be no war. This was revealed in a video in which Igboho was discussing the ongoing war between Ukraine and Russia. Igboho on Monday secured his release from a detention facility in the Benin Republic government. He was released to renowned Yoruba historian Professor Banji Akintoye, who has been agitating for a referendum in Nigeria that is expected to build a separate Yoruba nation. According to Sunday Igboho, he said, let's hope that this Ukraine crisis won't lead to a third world war. May God not let us witness war in the world, Igboho said in the video. However, one of the lawyers representing the agitator, Yomi Aliyu, senior advocate of Nigeria, had said that Igboho was only released to attend to his health in Beninese hospital. Aliyu said Igboho has not been released. He was only released to be taken to the hospital to attend to his ill health. The last time we spoke, I told you that we were making arrangements to take him to the hospital over his ill health, so he was released based on health grounds. I am to inform you that Chief Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, has been released from prison to his medical practitioners under the agreement that he would not leave the medical facility or continue for any reason. Praise should be given to two prominent Yoruba uh, personalities, to wit Professor Wole Soyinka and Professor Banja Kintoye, for this turnaround in our clients' matters. Wow. Now, this issue of accident has been occurring severally. We've had cases like this happen, and I feel at this point that um, Nigeria should come to a point of agreement over the issue of, these guys who are security operative who are protecting the lives of appointees, whether it's ministerial appointees or chief of staff and all of that. We should let them understand their place and also let them know that their lives also matter. Imagine 4 people die just like that, just because of trying to meet up with the convoy that was already ahead of them. I mean, it's really a serious issue that must be treated with so much caution. And unfortunately, their families may not know anything like that has happened, and they have died, and that's the end of the story. We do not even know what the government will do, to kind of make provision for the family. It's really a serious matter, and that issue should be dealt with. That no matter what, be careful the way you are speeding. And another thing about this issue of security operatives driving in vans, if you're the van shouldn't be given to people who are not capable, you understand, because that is why this is happening. How can you be engaging in speeding of the van in a corner, because that is what caused this whole thing, in a corner? It makes no sense. You understand? Condolence to their family and also to the offices of Ngigi and the chief of staff to the president, Gambari. All right, let's focus on the issue at hand, which is has to do with the person of Sunday Adeyemo. It's shocking to hear that the only reason why they released the chief was because of his ill health, which means that nothing really has been achieved. Yes. Before now, a lot of people were like, if they have released Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released same. The president should show that he has the heart of a father towards Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and all of that. But right now, based on what the lawyer has said, the young man has not been released. He has only been released to take care of his health, So for me, I believe that those who are in charge of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case should handle it in the light of the things that he has done, which he does not deserve, this and that and that and that, and also some other existing issue which the government are yet to give full answers to, than to begin to say, if it was Sunday, the DMO has been released, this person also have to be released. They are two different, though they are the same, they are freedom fighters, but that of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very different, because the guy was extraordinarily rendition back to Nigeria. The process of rendition was not followed, and even Kenya has confirmed beyond reasonable doubt that there was nothing like a process of extradition by the Nigerian government. And also, they only can tell of Kanu's entry into Kenya, but his exit, they do not have any document with them that points to the fact that he had exited the country. So that is what they should be hammering on, and not trying to, talk about because on the Igboho has been released, they should release this person, all of that. Because if you go like that, now that the real story is out, it therefore means the whole thing would have been trashed now. But that's where I'd like to leave it. Go to our conversation. Let's